I'm at my boyfriend's house. Haha.
Oh my god, you're so
Say hello. Say hi to the people.
Oh, wait, are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yep.
You're so lame.
I know. He thinks I'm lame. You're mean.
No, I'm not.
You're sorry.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give you like a lot of nerd subscribers for saying I'm playing.
Yes, he's playing Saints Row 3, the game that just came out yesterday, and it's pretty legit.
Here's the weapons cache, and these look like you and your drone controls over here.
This game is actually really awesome. He had to beg his mom to bring him the game.
Ooh, fuck yeah. Get in this bitch.
He's having fun. That's pretty much what he's been doing for the last, like, half an hour. Probably longer.
Shit!
So, wish me luck. Oh, that's right. I'm playing next.